Remove all the sources of distraction. How can we improve our focus when we are constantly assaulted with information? Close social media and other apps. Turn off notification and keep your phone in a bag or backpack out of the sight. Avoid multitasking. Multiple things at once makes us feel more productive, but it's the formula for decreased focus, concentration, and productivity. Multitasking not only reduces your focus but also diminishes the quality of your job. Get more sleep. Sleep is crucial for the brain because without it, the brain struggles to operate correctly, resulting in a loss of attention and concentration. Set a regular bedtime. Minimize electronics in the bedroom. Avoid alcohol and caffeine in the evening. Exercise. Simple workouts are a great way to start your day. Exercise releases molecules that are important for memory, focus, and mental acuity. Movements help in the relaxation of muscles and the relief of tension in the body. As your body improves, so will your mind. Train your brain. A primary objective is to engage the brain in order to increase memory, focus, or daily functionality. You can train your brain in a variety of ways. For example, teaching, meditation, learning a new skill, listening to the music. Thank you so much.